Yo, in this video I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about using Solscan, from basic UI features to token locks, wallet fundings and finding side wallets. Let's get into it. So the first thing you see when you open the solscan.io website is obviously the Solana price, average fee. You can also see the total Sol supply, the total amount of transactions and the total amount of staked Sol. Also you can see the latest transactions on the Solana blockchain right here. You can also see the volume on each DEX, monthly, weekly, whatever. As you can see, for example, yesterday Jupiter did 2.3 billion, Radium did 1 billion, Pump Fund did 500 million. So that's what you see. But the main thing you need to be using is the search bar. Most of these features are useless, but the main thing you need to be using is the search bar, and I'm gonna teach you how to use that. Okay, so what you need to do is just open the search bar, paste a wallet, transaction, or a token. I'm gonna use my own doxed wallet that I stream with as an example. So just search it up and you're gonna see all these things. I'm gonna explain every single one of these things and what it means. So the first thing you see is Sol balance, the current Solana amount that the wallet is holding. So I currently have 15 Sol on this doxed wallet. The next thing you see is token balance, the tokens that the wallet is currently holding. So you can just open it up like this, and you can see what tokens the wallet is holding. I'm not holding anything, but it's still showing the dust left from trading. These are worthless. So the next thing you see is on curve. I'm gonna explain later what this means when I'm gonna teach you how to check for token locks. But right now just forget about it. I'm gonna teach you what it means later in this video. So when you scroll down, you're gonna be on the transactions page, and you're gonna see all the transactions that this wallet does. You can see the exact time of the transaction by clicking the clock right here. The next thing you're gonna press is transfers, and here you're gonna see all the transfers more easily. This is the most important thing you need to be using: transfers. Transfers and DeFi activities are the most important things. Everything else is pretty much useless in my opinion for trading and stuff like that. So on transfers, you can see the transfer that the wallet does. So as you can see, for example, yesterday I bought 58 million tokens of Aura Farm coin for 2 Sol, 1.92 Sol. And it shows it like this. If you want to see trades more easily, you obviously need to go to DeFi activities. It's gonna show you the trades more easily. So as you can see here, I bought 1.92 Sol, 58 million tokens, and I sold the same amount for 2.03. So on DeFi activities, you can see the trades the wallet does more easily. So just you can see the platform that the wallet is using. For example, if I use Jupiter, it would have shown Jupiter, but I'm only using Pump Fund. You can also filter the platform: Jupiter, Radium, Meteora. Here you can filter out wallet, like you can filter out the wallet that you sent tokens from, but obviously we searched up my wallet and it's only gonna show my wallet. Here you can see the action that the wallet did. You can filter that out as well. For example, add liquidity, remove liquidity are pretty important. For example, when you see president coins or whatever, that doesn't happen often anymore, but they're usually not launched on Pump Fund and liquidity can be added or removed on those. So these are kind of important. Most of these other things are not as important, except create token is pretty important because you can see if the wallet has created any tokens. Like that. So NFT activities, you're gonna see NFTs. Balance changers, you obviously can see the balance changers, but this is not as important. Analytics, this is not important either. All of these things. Portfolio, you can see the tokens that the wallet is holding more easily, but you can see it also right here, so it's pretty useless. Stake accounts, domains, if the wallet has bought any domains. But yeah, the most important things you need to be using is transfers and DeFi activities. And yeah, that's basically what you see when you search up a wallet. The next thing I'm going to show you is how to check for token locks on tokens. let's get into it. So I'm back at the home page, and I'm going to teach you how to check for token locks. So for example, I found this coin that locked tokens, and how you can see that somebody locked tokens is you see an insider appear on the chart. Like if you scroll down to holders, you see an insider. You're just gonna open that wallet, copy the address of that wallet, and you're gonna search that up. And as you can see, it looks much different than my wallet, and the reason for that is because it's locked. As you can see, on curve false, that means that it's locked. On curve showing false means that the funds on this wallet are locked. I'm gonna also teach you how to check for how long they're locked. And how you do that is you need to open a new tab. Then you need to press, there's only usually 2 to 3 transfers. You just need to press one of them. And you can see all these things. You can see the signers. And the thing you need to do is copy the second signer. It's most usually the second one. And how to check for how long the tokens are locked is you open a new tab, go on Streamflow. I'm gonna paste, I have this link ready right here, but I'm gonna leave this link in comments or in the description. So I just go on this website, Streamflow. Streamflow is what people usually use to lock tokens. If it's not locked on Streamflow, I would not trust it. So I'm gonna leave this link without the last part in the description. So what you need to do is after mainnet / you need to paste the thing that you copied, the second signer. That's what you need to paste. So you just press enter. And as you can see, it opened a new page with 39 million bunnies. Bunnies coin locked. That's what the coin was called, bunnies. So you can see 39 million bunnies locked, and here you see when they are gonna be unlocked. So the first unlock is gonna be 19 million tokens on April 11th. Then you can see April 25th, 39 million, the rest. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna leave this link in the description. And that's how you check for token locks. The next thing I'm gonna show you is how to check wallet funding on Solscan on projects. So let's get into it. So as an example, I'm gonna be using this coin. Obviously it rugged already, but yesterday the only reason that I made some money on this is because I checked the wallet funding and how it looks. People were speculating the same, but I was earlier, that's why I made money on this. So I obviously got sold on right here, but I'm gonna show you how to check for wallet funding and why this looked better than the other ones. This was a hype launch yesterday. This not ended up being the real one, but I'm gonna show you how to check for wallet funding so you can filter out the bullshit out of the hype launch coins and just AI coins, whatever. So you just copy the CA, paste it here. You press right here, creator. So you go on the dev wallet basically. And then you go on transfers, Sol, and inflow. That's what you need to do. So you go on the last page, and as you can see, so basically the reason I bought this coin is because the bundle wallets, every single bundle wallet at the time was funded like 23 hours ago from Coinbase exchange, and the dev wallet was funded 2 days ago from Coinbase. So as you can see right here, Coinbase hot wallet, and you see the date, 2 days ago. That basically meant to me that the dev has been working more than 2 days on this, on rugging this basically. It did not end up being the real one, but dev was working more than 2 days on rugging this. So that's why people bought. That's why it even went to 45k. Basically just off speculation. People did the same thing. They checked the funding. They checked all the bundle wallets. The bundle wallets were funded like 24 hours ago. The dev wallet is funded 2 days ago. So that's basically the only reason I bought it. It looked like it might have been real, the real coin of this project, but it did not end up being. But basically, if you go on the last page, you can see the wallet funding, and you just need to know what what exchanges are the most, it's hard to explain, but some exchanges, when you see wallets being funded from some exchanges, you might trust it a little bit more, because there's no reason to that. But for example, when I see Change Now or Fixed Float or whatever, and a DEX exchange, I don't trust them as much on projects like this. But when you see Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, like centralized exchanges, you might trust them a little bit more. So that's basically how you check for wallet funding. You can do the same thing on bundles. When you're trying to find out if a project is legit, you can just go through every single holder, check for bundle wallets, check for fresh wallets, check their holdings. You can do the same thing. Just go on transfers, filter out Sol and inflow, and go to the last page, and you're gonna see where the wallet is funded from. So that's basically it. The next thing I'm gonna show you is how to find side wallets. Let's go. So now I'm gonna show you how to find side wallets, and you can do it on Solscan, but I will show it on a different website. It's a tool that I use for finding side wallets or checking P&Ls. It's called cielo.finance. You don't even have to create an account, you don't have to do anything, it's free. So basically what you need to do is go on this website, app.cielo.finance, and you open the search bar. You paste a wallet that you want to find a side wallet of. So for example, this is a random wallet I found. You just search that wallet up and you can see all these things. So what you need to do is go on related wallets, and it's gonna show you all the wallets that the wallet has received or sent funds to. So this is most likely this person's second wallet. You can just use that, track it. If you are checking for a KOL's wallet and you're trying to find his side wallet for whatever reason, you can see the inflow from inflow and outflow to that wallet, and you can just check all these wallets and check if the original wallet is buying after these wallets, basically, if that makes sense. So you can also do it on Solscan, just by going to transfers, Sol, outflow. Then you're gonna just filter out the amount, for example 3 Sol. You're gonna see, for example right here, this is most obviously a wallet, right? No, but basically you can go through every single page and see if that wallet is sending a lot of funds to a different wallet. And usually that wallet that the original wallet is sending a lot of funds to might be the person's alt wallet. So basically that's how you check for side wallets. And yeah, so that was basically it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. What I showed you in this video is basic UI features, token locks, how to find side wallets, wallet funding on projects. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna be leaving all the important links in the description. The fastest Telegram bot, Nova, there's gonna be a link in the description for that. Make sure to follow me on Twitter. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. Make sure to like the video. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.